Alright, I've been getting a lot of messages on how to connect to each other using ZSNES Netplay, and it's actually a really simple thing to do. The only thing I can think of is that there's a few little things that could make it not work. And so let's just go over the few key points that you need to consider to make Netplay work for you and your playing buddy. First of all, both of you need to have the same exact ROM, the same exact file, so you can either just download it from the same link or just send a copy to one another, whichever way you want to do it. The second thing is you both need to have the same version of ZSNES, and you could just make sure that by going up to your little miscellaneous button up here, clicking about, and there's your version right there. If you both don't have the same version, one of you can just go to this nifty little button here, which is a link to ZSNES.com, and go there, click on files, and get the right version. Alright. The third thing you need to consider is that firewalls have a tendency to make Netplay not work. So you could either try and do port forwarding to make the ports in ZSNES go through and work, but since I don't know how to do any of that, all I've done is I've disabled all the firewalls on my computer. And you also need to consider the router, the firewall in your router too, if it has one. So sometimes it's not a problem, but I've just taken out the plug from my router and put it right into my modem just to be safe. So if you follow all those things, it should work properly. So your first step here is you're going to want to go to Game and hit Load and set your load directory to wherever your ROMs are that you want to play. And I've done this very easily by just creating a ROMs folder to store all my ROMs right on my C directory. If my mouse wants to work. There we go. And once you've done that, you can just exit out of there and do whatever configuring you need to do. Your controller inputs, your video, I'm sure you set that up already, and if you haven't, do so. And now we just get to the good part, which is connecting to each other through the Netplay feature. So you're just going to click on Netplay and click on the Internet drop down, and here you have your Netplay dialog. And what you want to do is make sure both of your ports are set the same. Ours were 7845 by default, and set your nickname to whatever you want. And you first point here is that me and my buddy Moises figured out earlier today is that this isn't displaying the correct IP for my computer or his computer, as they were both exactly the same. So we were sitting here for a good 50 minutes being dumbasses trying to figure it out.
Fucking liars.
So what you want to do is just go to a site like whatismyip.com. Get your IP from there. It'll be displayed in big old bold letters that you won't even need glasses to read. So and just copy paste from there and send it to your friend, and he can do the same if he so wishes. And you've got two options here. You can either start as a server and send your IP address to your friend, which he'll put down in this box right here where it says IP. Or he could do the same and start as a server, send his IP address to you, and you'll type it in here in the form of numbers and periods and such and shit. Since we're doing it my way, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Start as Server, and he's just gonna input my IP address and hit connect as soon as he's done with his Doritos and shit. There we go. Keyboard still doesn't work for shit. Alright. If you guys are having any issues with lag, you can adjust your latency right here. And since we're not really having any issues, then we'll either one of us can just go up to game and hit load and select the game we want to play, which is going to be Super Smash TV. Dun 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 dun. You sound like you just had an orgasm on your Doritos over there. Ugh. Yeah, and if you want to do any typing in the game, all you gotta do is hit the T button, type some shit, and enter. And the year is 1999. This is some futuristic shit. Alright, fuck all this. Ah, fuck you. I did it again, I hit one player. Maybe you can just hit start and join in. But yeah, to play, all you gotta do, you gotta use the your action keys to set up and move around. There you go. To shoot in different directions, you gotta use the other keys, buddy. You got it.
All these fucking terrorists.
Kill Al-Qaeda, motherfuckers. Our sound's kind of fucked up. That's okay though. Collect power-ups and hose.
Nice.
Give me that power-up. Oh yeah.
Fuck. Terrorists got me.
Yeah, they just gotta hit you once. They got some powerful bats. Ah, fuck! I hit a mine. That was smart. There we go. Get that power up, man. Get the rocket. That's why you're getting lynched. Oh, you gotta watch the fat fucks. They explode. How'd that one guy get... Aw. I was just about to talk, too. Oh, shit. Nice.
That's all there is to it.
Pretty much. As long as our internet can stop sucking, it'll handle it, and you'll be net playing it in no time. Bye, Zors. Oh shit! You shoot to the right. Never mind, we'll both shoot to the right. Fuck.